Hey everyone, and welcome to Jayco Adelaide. Well, today we are doing our first video on van weight with an important one, packing your van for travel. Now, why is this important, you ask? Well, it has a lot to do with how your car will tow your van and making it as safe as possible. Now, I am here with my base station and I am going to run you through some of my tips on packing the van, which you may find helpful for your next holiday. Now, every van has a payload. What is that, you ask? Well, it is the additional weight that you take in the van on that next trip of yours. So clothes, water, gas, etc. Now, when we pack our van, any heavy items I like to distribute evenly over the axle. We've got the back area, which we're lucky enough to have all of our bikes and surfboards and kids' toys in there. You've got your tunnel boot for your tools and your barbecue, and clothes. I know this is a tricky one and everyone tends to overpack, but keep it light. We keep it to one duffel bag per person, which fits perfectly in our wardrobe cupboards. Our All RV parts and accessories team, they have a fantastic range of lightweight crockery and glassware, chairs, tables, and all the things that you need for that next trip away. So pack light, pack safe, evenly distribute that weight throughout your van, and you're not going away to make that next fashion statement. So don't need to take your whole wardrobe. You're going away to make amazing memories with your family. So enjoy that next trip away. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.